Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 hidden Google File trick you need to try right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to head over to our Google File. The very first trick I want to show you as far as Google File trick is concerned is image hidden. How do you do that? First thing for, I'm going to click on my images right here. So let's say, for instance, this image right here, I want to hide this image without installing any software. How do we do that? What we need to do is to simply click and hold down on the image. So I'm going to click and hold down. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this 3 dots from the top. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on rename right here. Then I have to come to the beginning of the image, then add dot. Then I'm going to simply click on OK right here. And in a few seconds, the image has been hidden. Then how do we refill the image back? What we need to do is to simply go back. Then we have to simply click on this 3 slider. The next thing we want to do is to go to settings. Then we have to simply scroll down right here, and we make sure we click on this particular icon right here, show hidden files. So by the time you go back to the images, right here, then we'll be able to see the file is back. So let's take a look at the very third one I have for you. So the third one I have for you, I can simply select as many as possible images right here. If I click and hold down, I select about 5 images right here. Then I simply come to the top right here, click on these 3 dots. Then I simply go to compress. Then I can simply name it new photo zip file. Then I can simply hit on compress. With that, compressing file. So with that, we can simply view. So with that, you're able to make zip file, as you can see right here today. So this is the third one I want to share with you as far as trick you need to know about Google File is concerned. So let's take a look at the very second one I have for you. So the very second one here is where you come to the top right here, click on this 3 slider. Then you click on clean. Then it's going to take you right here. Then from here, you can scroll down and see duplicate files right here. So select files. Then right here, you have duplicate file right here. So you can match them into one. So for you to do that, simply come to the top right here and select the image, select the items. So everything has been fully selected. So as you can see right here, next thing we want to do is to click on move 13 file to trash. Then you can also come to the top right here and run and clean junk file. Clear temporary app file. Simply click on clear and junk file clear. It's as simple as that. Let's take a look at the very last one I want to show you right here. So I'm going to simply go back under the trash right here. I'm going to simply go back. Then we have to simply head over to file from the home page right here. I'm going to simply click and hold down. And I'll simply click on app info. It's going to take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on storage and cache. Then I have 15 megabytes for cache. So come down below right here, click on clear cache. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are 4 hidden tricks that you need to know about Google File. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.